Oh, that's a big walleye. Oh, oh, that's big. That's big, Rachel. There we go. Oh, that's a rock bass. That's a rock bass. Guys, I think we just saw rock bass right here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a rock bass. That's a rock bass. Rock bass. Oh, Rachel, that's a new species for us. In the rocks, guys. Find the rock. Find the rock bass. Oh, you felt something? Oh, took your leash. Okay, we found them. Hold on, I'll put a worm on there. First sighting of a rock bass in my life. There you go. Put it back in there. Now we have worms. Oh, that's gonna get them for sure. Man, this thing has so much smell. I think it's gonna work better than the power bait. This one is a shrimp smell. Yeah, very strong smell. Just gonna hook in on my tungsten jig here. There we go, just like that. Yummy little bug. Look at that. All right, let's go. Let's get it done. Just teasing that. I can't even see my bait now. It's in the rocks. Oh, that's the bottom. Oh, there we go. We got it. Oh, that's a little perch. Oh man, look at that. So there's perch in here. I think we definitely saw the rock bass. No, that was definitely a rock bass. The shape is different. All right, that was easy. With this fake bait. Okay, we will let this guy go. Well, I bought this ultralight rod, never use it. Might as well make a cast. See how it does. Oh man, that small jig, you can cast so far. Okay. Oh, you got it. Oh, another perch. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Rachel got a perch. That's a bigger one. That's a bigger one than mine. All right, let's get that hook off. That's fun, eh? Your first perch of the year. There we go.
Okay, hello.
Oh yeah. Let it go. How many stripes? Oh, that's it. Oh, that's a rock. I'm snagged. No way. Okay, I'll go to your left. Okay. You got a perch?
Yeah.
Oh, you got another one. Same size, hey?
Yeah. Don't bite me.
They don't have teeth. Oh, I got it back. Nice. Woo, scared me. Oh, that's a tiny one. Oh, it's going. Oh, you got another one. Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. Rachel, you're 3, 2, 1. That's a nice perch. Oh, look at the. Oh, this is a weird looking perch.
Yeah.
Something's off about this perch. If you look at the back, look at the humpback.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, what happened to it? Why?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a male. The males get that. Oh, gone. Maybe after a few perch we can catch rock bass.
Yeah.
So the fake stuff definitely work. Oh, I can really get that tungsten jig out there because of his ultralight setup. Light line, light rod, long rod. That's the formula. Oh, I got one.
Oh,
No way. On the drop. So I got 2. You got what? You got 3?
Yeah.
So
Oh, this is a big one.
yeah, that's a nice one. Oh man, look at that. Again on the tungsten jig, CR bait, tungsten jig, and the shrimp scented plastic. That's oh, there we go. That's a big one. I think it's worth the drive.
Yeah.
From Regina, right? It's fun.
I like this.
Oh. got a perch. Nice. Look at that. Oh, that's, yeah.
I think it's the same one.
That looks like the same fish.
So stupid.
They are stupid.
2 times.
Let me see if there's any.
One.
Oh, I can't hold them.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh, got a fish. Got a fish. Oh. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, it's running. It's running. Oh, it's running pretty good. Maybe a pike. Yeah. No, I'll just play it for now. Oh, Rachel. What is this? It's pretty heavy. Yeah. I don't know, it's right here. What is it, walleye? It's a walleye, it looks like a walleye. Wow, there's walleye in here, Rachel. Oh, it's a nice walleye.
Yeah, decent size.
Oh man, look at that. Oh,
it's big.
This big walleye. Give me the net. Okay, got it. Oh, we got a nice walleye today. Look at that. Oh man, that's a 21.
Oh.
Guys, check it out. Look at that walleye, nice 20-incher. Took the soft plastic. That is a nice hook set. Okay, there we go. All right, let it go. Nice walleye, healthy looking. And yeah, let it go right there. It's gonna go. There we go, gone. Oh, you got one! You got one! No way, Rachel got one! Woo! Okay, fight it. Wow, nice. That's mine. Fight the fish. Just fight the fish. Wow, this bait is magic. Okay. All right. Is it heavy? Lift the rod, like, yeah. Keep pressure on the rod, yeah. Stick the rod up. Yes, good. That's fine. Just keep playing it. Wow.
What is that?
Another big walleye, I think. Oh, Rachel got one.
Where is it?
You need to keep the rod tip up. Hold the rod here. Yes. Yeah. Okay, good. Just keep the pressure. Yep. Oh, that's a big one. That's got to be a big one. That's fine. Take it easy. Just let it fight. It'll get tired. Oh, I think it's another walleye. Nice walleye.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Okay, yeah, I saw it.
Okay, you're doing good. Oh, that's a big walleye, Rachel.
Yeah.
That's like a 25 plus.
Rarely. No way.
Ooh. Right the dam. Oh, that's a big walleye. Oh, oh, that's big. That's big, Rachel. Yeah, you're doing good. Yes, in. Wow, that's a super nice one. Come over here. Rachel got a nice one. Holy smokes. That's a nice fish. Look at that, guys. That's a big one. That's at least 24. Guys, look at that walleye. We measure it right here. Whoa. No, don't flop, please. Oh, Rachel, that's
25. 25.5.
25 and a half. Okay, face me.
Quickly.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, there we go. Hold the fish further, like this. Yes. Oh, Rachel, that's our first nice picture. Hold on. Smile. Yes. Good enough. Put it in the water. Okay. 25 and a half inch walleye. Good job, Rachel. That's awesome. Okay, guys, this is what caught a 21 incher and Rachel's nice 25 incher. Just a lead jig with red eyes and a black grub looking like a leech. Very simple. Fish are right in the current, and yeah, we're gonna keep slamming them. Good job, Rachel. Yeah. 冻掉。That's the fish. First cast. Are you kidding me? I just cast it in. No way. Oh, Rachel. It's smaller. Yeah, it's not big. Wow. They're going crazy after my swim baits.
Yeah.
What is... Oh, it's another walleye. Wow. First cast, Rachel.
Yeah, first cast. Walleye, okay.
Oh, it's a nice golden looking one.
Yeah.
Look how gold it is.
Yeah, it is. Come here, Nico.
Nice. Oh yeah, Rachel. This is a money spot. This one is so feisty. Look at how gold this one is, guys. That's a beauty.
Beautiful.
Ate my net minnow. All right, guys. Another beauty walleye here. Oh yeah, it's gone there. This river, I'm calling it full of walleye right here. Full of walleye. You going? Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Oh yeah, Rachel. You like it? Oh, it's feisty. Oh, it's a nice one. That's another 20. All right. Oh, it's also like golden.
Yeah. Do you think it's the same one?
No, it's not as gold, but it's pretty good color. Look at that, guys. On the net minnow.
Yeah.
There we go. Easy.
Yeah.
Just a soft plastic like that. Golden walleye beauty.
Yeah.
Good
So
fish,
beautiful,
Rachel.
Yeah.
You want to hold it or no? Just let it go. It's another solid 20 incher. All right. I guess we came here at the right time. They're just right in there.
Yeah.
All right, let's let it go. There we go. Yeah, you let it drift and then work it.
Oh,
You got another one, Rachel. Crazy. Bigger? Same?
No, it's bigger.
Bigger? Okay. Keep the rod tip up. Rachel is definitely having fun. Is that a pike? Just a feisty walleye. On the Ned rig again. Oh my goodness. You caught...
Not that yellow.
Last fish was a minute ago. Right?
Yeah. Okay,
Nice
big
fish.
ones.
Nice
Yeah.
walleye.
Yeah, that's walleye.
Man. Catch and release. Nothing to it, just on the corner.
Okay,
Up the
good.
mouth. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, good one.
They're all healthy.
Good.
Gone.
Yeah, gone. Okay, Tom, I'm tired.
You tired? Alright, let me have fun then. Nat Red telling you guys. Start using it for walleye. Come on, guys. Just bouncing off the bottom. I can feel the vibration. Just bouncing off the bottom. You don't really need to work it because the current is blowing it down. And walleye sees it, it's gonna eat it. Oh, we're going right here. Oh yeah. Yes. Feels like a walleye. Feels like a walleye. Small walleye. Small walleye. Oh yeah. They all have nice color. Look at that.
Yeah, golden.
It's golden color. You net it. You net it.
Come.
All right, you got it. About the same size. Can you hold the rod? I mean the pickerel rig with minnow.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, in there.
Alright guys, I haven't shown my face to you guys for a day, but basically we came to Round Lake starting from the west end, the river mouth, and now we're at the dam. Oh, right there. Anyhow, this river mouth, it looks like it's boiling. There's so much current, and I bet you there's at least 60 walleye just right here in the current. My GoPro died, but after that we caught another 2 nice walleye. They're all like, you know, this golden mature color. Beautiful. I didn't keep any one, just let all them go. By the way, today is 31 degrees. Super hot and humid. Rachel had a little issue breathing a little bit. It was super hot. Now, you know, the cloud kind of starting to move in, and it's getting a little cooler. But I think we had enough. It's just, look what I'm wearing. Long sleeve, hats. Didn't dress for the weather. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the west end. There were kids playing on the dock. We couldn't fish the dock, just the rock pile, but we're gonna go there and give it another try. And hopefully we get a rock bass, but you know, if we don't, that's it for today. So yeah, stay tuned. The ticket for today, Ned rig. Jig head Ned rig, green color, black color. They're just hitting it. Paddle tail, twister tail style. These fish in here, they're just hungry. So yeah, stay tuned. Maybe we'll catch more fish.